making sock plushies inspired by the one and only Moriah Elizabeth.
Welcome back to her channel.
We have our little picnic at a park making socks. First we have some cotton balls and we're taking them apart to make stuffing. And now we stuff it in. It's a cloud. Stuffed. Woo. Time to sew on an eye. Like that. Ears.
And mine.
Red eye. One leg. I'm stuffing in a leg. Doop. Boop. Feet are completed and stuffed inside. Legs. 2 legs, and she's got 3 legs on. And 2. He has whiskers. Yes. I got the nose and the eyes stitched on.
Before, after.
Here's the final product. Oh, look at them. Aren't they cute? Bum bum bow on mine, and then a nice flower crown, the ears, the nose, the face, this butt. I love the feet. The feet are
And this is mine with the flower crown, the ears, the legs. As you can see, the front is white and the black. The back is black as blue. And then the tail, boing, 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 boing. And then this, you think this is the eyes, but no, it's the nose. This is the eyes. Demon staring into your soul.
ah, so cute.
Our little cows.
Our little cat. Our little milky cows.
Bye, crafty people.